Hello my esteemed viewers, welcome back to my channel. Welcome back to V Tutorials. Today we'll be looking at how we can make money on Bybit without trading cryptocurrency. So before I dive into that, if this is your first time coming across to this amazing channel, please do subscribe, like my videos, and as well share my videos so that a lot of people can gain value from this amazing channel. So the first thing you just need to do to meet up with this making money on this very content today is to make sure you have a verified Bybit account. And if you do not have a verified Bybit account yet, I will drop a link for you at the descriptive section of this very video so that you can use it to sign up. So let's quickly dive into that. So the moment you log into your app, to your Bybit app, if you log into your Bybit app, you're going to go into check. Navigate yourself straight to this notification center, right? If you go to this notification center, you're going to go into click on it and check what is update for you. All right. So we're going to go into check what is available for us to make money with. So clicking on it now, this is where we are. You're going to navigate yourself to this very place, KAVA. So KAVA will give you up to 120.12% APR. All you just need to do is to stake KAVA now to earn up to 120% APR, exclusive on Bybit Flexi Savings. So without waste of time, we'll quickly click on it. So after clicking on it, we're going to come to KAVA Flexible and click on it again. If you click on it, it's going to bring you to these details. All right, it will bring you to these details, which will be showing you the total pool size. It will be showing you your current stakings. It will be showing you your estimated APR. The other time is here. Look at this place. This is the other time. The other time is September 21st, 8:05. The yield time, it will start from 21st, 1 hour difference, which is 9. The yield accuracy will start the same day with 2 hours difference, which is 10. And the yield distribution times will just be 24 hours. Today is 21st. By tomorrow, you'll be able to take it out around 12:30. Okay. So the pool size, the remaining pool size is still big. Roughly $367 million. It's still big. So what is the minimum you can use in staking this? You can stake from 5 to 500,000 KAVA. The minimum is 5. The maximum is 5K, which is what you can use to stake this KAVA. But don't forget, the more you stake, the more profit you will make. So you will try to stake more. So the next thing we're going to do is to click on this. On this, I have agreed. And the next thing you just need to do is to click on stake. But first thing first, make sure you have available fund in your account. Make sure you have a KAVA. And how do you get this KAVA? You can get this KAVA by simply converting from USDT or from any other coin to KAVA. Or you can still get it by simply trading the USDT to KAVA. Okay. So let's quickly see how we can get this cover. As I said, the first way you can get this cover is by using this converting option. You click on the convert, you choose KAVA, you choose your current coin, and you choose KAVA as coin you want to convert to. And the second way you can get it is by what? By trading it. Go to your sports, type on KAVA if it's available. It's by trading it. So how much you need to get 5k KAVA? Let me see. How much do I need to get 5k? Okay, sorry, 500k KAVA. It's a big fund. 191,900. Okay, how much do I need to get 500 KAVA? $191.1. Okay, 191 what? $191, which is what I need to get 500 KAVA. Okay, we're told that the minimum is 5. What do I need to get 5 KAVA? Just 1.9, which is roughly 2 USD. Okay, you can just maybe get 100 KAVA or 200 KAVA. If you want to use 100 USD for it, you can just take or maybe 250. Yes, 250 KAVA, right? And you will make a rational profit from it. It's very simple because the percentage is very high, which is up to 120. All right, so the moment you get this now, you can just quickly go to stake and make your profit from that. Okay, so this brings us actually to the end of this amazing content. So if you do have any question, do not forget, drop it at the comment sections and I will get to you ASAP. So thank you so much and I will see you in my next video. Bye.